Welcome to CreativeIdeasTube. On this channel, we dive into a world of imagination and innovation. From DIY crafts and artistic endeavors to ingenious life hacks, our goal is to inspire your creativity and make everyday tasks extraordinary. Join us as we explore a plethora of innovative ideas and bring your imagination to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss out on our imaginative content. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use an AI video editor. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. First, open the AI video editor software on your computer. Import your video footage into the software by clicking on the Import button. Once your footage is imported, you can start editing. Use the various tools and features to enhance your video. Experiment with different effects and transitions to add visual interest to your video. Don't forget to add background music or voiceover to enhance the audio of your video. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can preview the final video before exporting it. Choose the desired export settings and click on the Export button to save your video. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use an AI video editor. Start creating amazing videos today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow creators who are always on the lookout for fresh inspiration. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and remember, the only limit is your imagination.